In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, select System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input. And if you are using Celia keyboard here. Now just tap on Input and manage all of those typing options however you want to. If you are using Microsoft One, click on it here instead of Celia One. Select Typing and manage all of those options the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!